no matter what I do, it just don't appeal to you. Now it makes no difference whether I am right or I'm wrong. If we can't be sweethearts, then this much you can do. Now just before our party, there's one thing I want to say. I'm really very sorry now for every broken vow. Sweetheart, now you're starting on your own merry way. But one thing please remember, as you move along every day, I'm asking you please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, our friendship ceases from now on. And listen to me, if you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk at all. That's my advice. Well, party, you go your way, I'll go mine. It's the best thing we can do. Here's a kiss. I hope that this brings lots of luck.
Thank you, dancers.